Hi there. So we're going to take a look at the Command mobile app. So the Command mobile app is going to be this red version of an app versus the white one, which is the consumer app. So if you can download the KW Command app, and when you open that up, you're going to need to put in your username and password that you normally use for Command. Now keep in mind the one for Command is your username is not going to typically be your email address. It's going to be an actual username with maybe some letter and number combinations with your name and some other numbers. Okay, so I'm going to go into mine. I recently opened mine, so I don't have to log in. So when I click it, usually it's about 14 days, and I should actually click on the phone, not on the screen. Okay, there we go. So I now am in here. When you guys open this for the first time, it's going to have a lot of disclaimers, disclosures, agreements that you're going to have to go through and then agree to. One of them is also going to be the TCPA, reminding you not to contact people that don't want to be contacted. Okay, so what do I have here? So this is obviously the landing page of the app. At the top left is my name. And because I'm on a team, I have my name and my team's name. So what else is on here? If you're obviously not on a team, you're just going to have your name, and below that is going to be your profile. I'm going to take a look at that in a second. What I'm really interested in showing you is this My Business Card. So if you click My Business Card, you're going to see a QR code that people can scan. The information that will come in there is a contact card. It works great, especially from Apple to Apple. It's the contact actually goes in directly from Apple to Apple. It's something similar with an Android. So if somebody doesn't want to scan your QR code, you can just share that information, and it's going to bring up any of the ways that you've recently shared information. So see contact card. So I can text that to somebody. I can AirDrop it if I have an Apple. I can email it. However, I want to send my information to that person. So they don't. It doesn't have to be the QR code. And I am trying to click the screen, and there we go. Okay. So what are we going to see? Well, actually, we're going to see this information, right? So we're going to see the phone number and any of this additional information about me in that contact card. So I'm going to go hit back on my profile. Down here, there's also share my KW app link. Now, before we got in here, we noticed that there was a red and a white app, the consumer app. So this is just sharing with potentially those same people. Hi, this is Melissa Burke. Here's my link to download my personal information. So see, this is what it's going to look like. And then this KWYVKORG, it feels like an eye exam. That's actually specific to me. So if I sent this to somebody and they open this link, it's the generic KW app that everybody gets. But when they look at the agent that's affiliated with that or associated with that app, it's going to be me. So something similar is going to happen with your version of the app once you get your marketing profile up and running. So I'm going to hit cancel here. I just wanted you to see how that works. So that's the first step in the app. A few other things about this app that we want to take a look at is on the bottom right, you'll see that there is command training. Now, when you click that command training, it's going to open up your browser. And what this is are the articles about how to use the command app. Okay, so that is our first little video on how to get started on the command mobile app. Very basic, just how you share that information and what's there. So our next videos, we're going to go over contacts.